Welcome back to Carrog 765, the channel where we explore the most fascinating classic vehicles ever built. If you love rare vintage machines, legendary American craftsmanship, and rolling pieces of history, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of classic vehicle fans from around the world. Today, we are taking a journey back to the Roaring '20s to look at the incredible 1927 Studebaker House Car, one of the earliest luxury motorhomes ever created in America. This vehicle was far ahead of its time and showed the world that traveling could be comfortable, stylish, and adventurous all at once. Back in the 1920s, the American automobile industry was booming. Families were becoming more interested in road travel, and companies were experimenting with new ways to combine transportation and comfort. That is exactly where the Studebaker House Car entered the scene. It was not just a regular automobile. It was designed to be a moving home, giving travelers the ability to explore long distances while carrying many of the comforts of home with them. The Studebaker brand itself was already famous for building reliable vehicles and wagons before becoming one of America's most respected automobile manufacturers. The 1927 House Car was based on Studebaker engineering, which meant it had solid mechanical reliability for its era. At a time when most roads were rough and highways barely existed, creating a house car was an ambitious idea. When you first look at the 1927 Studebaker House Car, it feels like something from another world. The large body, tall roof, wooden interior details, and handcrafted design make it look more like a luxury cabin on wheels than a simple vehicle. Every inch of the exterior reflects the style of the 1920s, with rounded shapes, vintage headlights, elegant trim, and classic fenders that instantly capture attention. Inside, the vehicle was designed for long-distance travel and comfort. Some versions included sleeping areas, cabinets, seating spaces, and compact living features that were extremely rare for that period. Remember, this was decades before modern RVs and camper vans became common in America. The idea of carrying your own mini-home across the country was revolutionary. What makes this vehicle even more special is its rarity. Very few examples survived over the decades, making the 1927 Studebaker House Car a true collector's treasure today. Whenever one appears at a classic car show or auction, enthusiasts gather around it because they know they are looking at a unique piece of automotive history. The engine powering the house car reflected the strong engineering standards of Studebaker during the late 1920s. While it was not designed for high speed, it provided dependable performance for touring and cross-country adventures. In those days, reliability mattered more than speed because road trips could take weeks instead of hours. One of the most impressive things about this vehicle is how it predicted the future of travel. Today, camper vans and luxury motorhomes are extremely popular in the United States, but vehicles like the Studebaker House Car helped inspire that lifestyle nearly 100 years ago. Modern RV culture owes a lot to these early pioneers of road travel. Collectors and historians admire the house car because it represents freedom, creativity, and American innovation. It reminds us of a time when engineers and designers were willing to experiment with bold ideas. Instead of building ordinary cars, they imagined vehicles that could completely change the way people traveled. Even now, almost a century later, the 1927 Studebaker House Car still turns heads everywhere it appears. Its timeless charm, handcrafted construction, and historical importance make it one of the most unforgettable vintage vehicles ever created. Thanks for watching today's video here on Carrog 765. If you enjoyed learning about this rare classic American house car, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more amazing vintage vehicles, motorhomes, classic trucks, and rare automotive history from around the world. Until next time, keep your passion for classic machines alive and keep exploring the golden age of automobiles.